we collaborated with other organizations, the Forest Department and the National Biodiversity Office, to do some hands-on activities and presentations with students from the Crooked Tree Government School. That included Standard 3 to Standard 6. And the kids, they had fun with the various activities that were scheduled out.
Mangroves are very important trees in wetlands because these are the homes for lots of different animals.
Belize is a party to the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands of International Importance. And so we chose one of the 2 Ramsar sites that we have within the country here in Crooked Tree. Okay, so why wetlands? These areas are critical habitats for biodiversity, but also for the ecosystem services that they provide. One of the main services that we often highlight is the fact that they are a flood sink. And so when we have these major flood events, these areas play a critical role in holding the water and releasing it slowly back. So it provides a very important ecosystem service when it comes to flood protection. And that service continues as the Belize River continues to drain out through Belize City and into the sea. But it's also a very important hotspot for birds and different species of biodiversity. Crooked Tree is very well known for the many species of birds that this area attracts, which also contributes to tourism and supports social and economic development.
The get or not the get, we don't got tree. 80%. 80%. So read what it says at 80% at the back.
More than 80% of our wetlands have disappeared since the 70s. Wetlands are being sold 3 times faster than forests.
Crooked Tree is a unique ecosystem. It is a wetland, it's a wildlife sanctuary, and it is unique in the sense that it would be the only wildlife sanctuary where we actually have a community within the sanctuary. And so that uniqueness is something we can't get anywhere else in the country. We've always had a close relationship with the community of Crooked Tree. We're pretty familiar with, we have old faces here. And so because of the uniqueness of the ecosystems and because of the sense that these community members use this wetland and this sanctuary, it is important for them to understand why we need to protect it. So that's one of the reasons we're here. We did a bit of a cleanup campaign this morning. The kids were amazed about the garbage that is within the community, and like we said, it's the garbage that they too contribute to. And so it's important for them to understand that they must do a little part, or they must do their part as well.
Communicating with the children and helping them to understand the importance of the ecosystem that they literally have in their backyard and the goods and services that it provides to them. And hopefully, and we do believe that that will help them in becoming better stewards of this ecosystem as they grow older.